was horrible. I hesitated very long. I struggled with myself. Shall I eat it? Shall I not? Shall I eat it? Shall I not? And Anais and the other Americans came over to me. Hey, just you have to try it. You have to try a snail. It's very delicious, and you really should try it. And I thought, oh no, I don't want. It's so disgusting. And I watched the other guys when they tried to get a snail out of the house, and I thought, oh no, I don't want to eat it. Okay, furthermore, I said, okay, I'm gonna try it. And I tried to get a snail out of the house, and it was so slimy and disgusting. Something liquid white came out of the snail, and there was green slime, and it was so But I had a bread with aioli right next to me, so I just put the snail into my mouth, and I thought, ugh, gross. And then right after I eat the bread and had it, I think it was a glass of wine. And I was very happy when the scary thing was over. It's also popular in Germany. I know a lot of people who eat snails, who love snails, but I am definitely not the one. And I definitely don't want to eat snails again.